Hey guys, welcome back to another Nvidia update video. Today I'm going to be telling you about my thoughts and what I expect next with Nvidia. As you can see so far in the aftermarkets, we are down a little bit. Maybe with the rate cuts tomorrow could be a little fear in the market right now. But I do have a Discord. Before we get into this, I do have a Discord where I post live updates about Nvidia and Tesla every day as the market's trading. It's only $5 a month. I also have a community that asks me questions. If you have any questions about anything, drop it in there. There's only $5 a month. But yeah, definitely go check that out if you're interested, need a little help, or not even if you need help, but if you just want a little guidance, trading Nvidia and Tesla, I definitely got you. But yeah, definitely getting into it. As you can see, we're doing a great job holding above this purple demand zone. As you can see, we retested it perfectly. And as you can see, we also have the 9 EMA. We're just holding great support above that 9 EMA right now, which is awesome. Obviously, Nvidia loves riding that 9 EMA in uptrends, so this is definitely good to see. We were using it as resistance a little while back, so this is definitely a good bullish development for the stock. I do also want to mention that this 184-ish level, as you can see a few days ago, we were getting resisted, and then kind of broke above it. Now holding above it, another good bullish development for the stock. So guys, a lot of good things happening here. I do not want to see Tesla or Nvidia get back into this purple demand zone. That will show me signs that we are losing momentum. And of course, losing yesterday's low at 182. Anything under that would definitely bring up some red flags. But we're not there yet. And of course, I'll let you know when we're there in my Discord as it's happening. But yeah, so far looking good, guys. We don't want to see anything down in this purple demand zone. We do have a big day tomorrow, guys. We have rate cuts, and then Thursday we have Broadcom earnings, which is going to act. I mean, both of those could act as a mini earnings for Nvidia. So, holding Nvidia after the bell could be a little sketchy those days, but whatever your risk tolerance is, go ahead and do whatever you like. But I'm just letting you know, could be a little volatile coming up, guys. That VIX is still staying well below 19, which is seems to be when we get those spikes. So staying under here is bringing the bulls out of hiding, letting them trade with no fear, essentially. So yeah, we didn't really get much selling pressure today. So that's good. I do think the next level is getting past this 186 zone. As you can see, we're just getting rejected there. So 186 level, that'd be really good next step. I can kind of show you what I see happening. So yeah, if we break past that, use 186 as support. I do see that next level to the upside being this little fair value gap in the low 190s. I was talking about that first goal being this fair value gap that of course we already filled. So this next fair value gap's in the low 190s. As long as we can start holding above 186, and of course we don't tank with great cuts and whatnot. I do see this being my next little goal, news aside. So yeah, definitely good there. And guy, I didn't even mention this, but Trump or China denied Trump approving the products to go to China. So that's probably why we got that big sell off at the beginning of the day. I didn't tell you that, but there you go. That's why we were down a little bit. But let's go into the market dash, guys. I use this a lot. And if you're getting into trading, or if you're just trying to get a better tool, get a little edge on the market, I definitely recommend checking out market-io. I'll link will be in my description. But we could look at the Wall Street here, and it is an all-out buy right now. Definitely something good to look at. Hedge funds don't know what to do with it. I have been looking at this for a while when we were up in the 200s. The CEO was selling, all the insiders were selling. So this is definitely good to look at when you're uncertain if we're going to stay in the 200s. This would have been good a month or two ago. But not much given. We're not getting much from there right now. And if you want to play around with this yourself, I do have a link in my bio. It's free, but you can also play around with the chart here. There's a lot of free indicators that you can mess around with, supply demand zones, MACDs, RSIs, Fibonacci's. Yeah, go crazy. Guys, definitely check out my Discord as well. Give you live updates. But overall, Nvidia looks bullish. No red flags right now. Yeah, guys. Peace.